Have you ever wondered what would happen if we could use all the features of artificial intelligence without needing to use our phone? If your answer was yes, you are not alone because engineers at the company Humane thought about the same. So let's talk about the latest development in the world of wearable technology with an emphasis on the main character of today's AI-powered wearable technology, aipin. Aipin, developed by Humane, is an innovative device set to revolutionize the way we interact with artificial intelligence. The AI Pin is a screenless wearable device that can be worn anywhere on your clothing. It is equipped with multiple sensors, a camera, a laser ink display, and support for various gestures. The device can take photos and send texts, uses a laser to project a visual interface onto a person's palm, and comes with a virtual assistant that can be as sharp as chatgpt. What makes the AI Pin such a big development in the artificial intelligence industry is its ability to combine AI, gesture control, and computational photography in one device. The AI Pin is voice first, which means it can be controlled via your voice.
I can also use it to ask questions like, when is the next eclipse and where is the best place to see it?
This is an AI browsing the web or grabbing knowledge from all over the internet.
The next total solar eclipse will occur on April 8th, 2024. One of the best places to see it is Nazas, Durango, Mexico.
I can use it for messaging, either by voice or laser. Tell Andrew I'll be there later tonight.
Your message to Andrew says I'll be there later tonight. Okay to send?
Make me sound more excited.
Your message to Andrew says I'll be there later tonight. Can't wait. Okay to send?
Yes.
However, gesture control is also among the capabilities of the aipin to allow users to interact with this powerful device in more than one way. Simply using their hand as a projection surface allows the users to not only listen to the answers but also read and see the outcomes of their request in real time. The device's weight is offset by a battery booster included in the package, extending the battery life to approximately 9 hours. This mini computer, harnessed with the power of AI and the projection technology, can be the next necessity in everyone's life. Humane has collaborated with OpenAI, leveraging their AI models such as GPT-4. This feature by itself gives users the access to real-time information that is fact-checked and updated every minute. The AI Pin is a platform for different AI experiences and services, catering to a global audience. Despite its price, the AI Pin has garnered significant interest, setting the stage for its success in the market. The AI Pin goes on sale starting at $699 in the US, plus $24 monthly for unlimited calling, texting, and data through T-Mobile. With its impressive specifications and sleek design, the AI Pin is set to become the next big thing in our world. What do you think you would like to do with this device once it has been released? Let me know in the comments and follow us on our social media platforms to stay updated on AI-related news.